Today I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly on your Windows PC. This is a fantastic way to get seamless writing assistance across all your applications from emails to documents without having to switch between tabs or platforms constantly. Start by opening a browser window and head to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't already signed in, now's the time to enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Grammarly dashboard where all your documents are stored and ready to access. Now that you're signed in and your documents have loaded up, we can proceed with the installation. Look over at the left navigation menu on your screen. Here you'll find various options for managing your Grammarly experience. Click on Apps. This section is where Grammarly shows you all the different platforms and devices where you can install their writing assistant, making it available wherever you work. From here, you'll see a list of all the available platforms where you can install Grammarly. This includes options for browsers, mobile devices, and desktop applications. What we're interested in today is getting Grammarly installed directly on your Windows PC. Click on the Grammarly for Windows Radio button to select it. This option allows the software to integrate with your system, providing real-time writing suggestions across all your Windows applications. Once you've selected Grammarly for Windows, you'll notice an Install button become available. Click on Install to begin the download process. The installer file will start downloading to your computer, and depending on your internet speed, this should only take a moment. Once the download completes, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to run the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, and Grammarly will integrate itself into your Windows system. And that's it. You've successfully installed Grammarly on your Windows PC, giving you access to powerful writing tools across all your applications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.